Hello everyone. If you watched my last video, you would recognize this clip of the debris from my cleanup after Hurricane Helene. This is the eve of Hurricane Milton, and it is once again anticipated to hit my area. To date, the debris has not been picked up by the county. Hi, my hobby is taking discarded furniture and home goods and renewing them to give them a second life. Welcome to my channel. This is the scene that I came upon the day after Hurricane Milton made landfall. Fearing that the downed wires may be live, I dared not drive further with my car and just walked to the property from there. As it turns out, the cables were actually telephone wires. Yes, that shipping container or pod was swept into the streets by the floodwaters. As you can see, nearly all of my debris left curbside has been washed away by the flood. And in exchange, some new items have been swept onto my property. You can see the height of the floodwater on the garage door. And this is a revisit on the progress that I made on the interior of the home prior to Hurricane Milton making landfall. And here is the scene that I came upon the day after Hurricane Milton hit. You can see that the floodwaters lifted the plank flooring in the great room. The floodwaters also lifted the closet doors out of their tracks. I'd like to take a moment to thank all of the viewers that have supported my channel through Buy Me a Coffee and my Amazon wish list. It's a little hard to see here, but the floodwaters reached 47 inches inside the home, compared to Hurricane Helene at 26 inches. The flood from Hurricane Milton was about double that of Hurricane Helene. This time, the surge water exceeded the height of the garbage can, so both were filled to the top with seawater, which I had to take out bucket by bucket until it was light enough for me to roll it out of the garage and dump the remaining water. The surge water lifted the water tank and started pulling it away from the wall, so I had to remove the water tank and cap the water lines. First thing I wanted to do was to clean up some of the sludge from the storm surge. As you can imagine, the odor wasn't very pleasant, and I wanted to get that out as soon as possible. More sludge removal. And more sludge removal. enjoying my videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. And yet more sludge removal. After getting hit by 2 hurricane storm surges within a span of 10 days, I seriously need to consider what my next steps are going to be in renovating this home. I'm not sure it makes sense to renovate on the slab that it currently sits on, but I will consider all my options. Stay tuned for which direction I will take with this renovation. Thanks for watching.